95 and 96.1. The Rock.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Samir Tole with the Ignition Cancer Center. 9 out of 10 patients rate us with top satisfaction scores. Why go anywhere else?
To the FCC, we're 96.1 WTCX FM Ripon and W236 AG Fond du Lac. To everyone else, we're 95 and 96.1 The Rock. Mandatory Metallica starts now.
We had the songs, we had the attitude, we had the fire.
How long has the band been together as Metallica?
Well, since we started.
You know something? You guys, you're like 10 times worse than Metallica.
I got something to say. On 95 and 96.1.